Guys, welcome back to another video with Gensy Talks. In today's video, we're going to talk about the simple present tense. You have to know that the simple present tense is one of the most important tenses in English and it's used in many situations. To start, let's say the most important thing to understand about the simple present tense is that we generally use it in four situations. Firstly, we use the simple present tense to talk about general facts. What is a genuine fact? A genuine fact is something that is always true, or true most of the time. It doesn't change. It's a reality, or truth, or even a scientific fact. For example, it is a truth that the Earth revolves around the Sun, because some scientific studies already show that. Then you can use the simple present tense to say that the Earth revolves around the Sun. Another example is that around the world, it is scientifically proven that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. And you can use the simple present tense to say that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Secondly, use the simple present tense to talk about habits. What is a habit? A habit is something you do again and again, every day or very often. For example, if you do something at a specific time every day, like me, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day, I can use the simple present tense to say that I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Or if there is something you do very often, like me, I drink coffee every morning, I can use the simple present tense to say that I drink coffee every morning. Thirdly, use the simple present tense to talk about permanent situations. What is a permanent situation? A permanent situation is something that stays true for a long time. For example, I've been living in Haiti since my birth. Then I can use the simple present tense to say that I live in Haiti. For another example, let's say I'm a student at the State University of Haiti and I've been studying there for 4 years and I'm still a student. Then I can use the simple present tense to say that I study at the State University of Haiti. Finally, we can also use the simple present tense to talk about the future, but only in special situations like for events that are fixed, planned, or scheduled in advance. For example, if you are used to taking bus or train to go to work or to go to school, and the train or the bus is planned to leave at 7 a.m. the next day, you can use the simple present tense by saying that the train or the bus leaves at 7 a.m. tomorrow. For another example, if you have an exam that is planned for next week, you can say that the exam takes place next week. So now you see, we use the simple present tense mainly for general facts, habits, permanent situations, and sometimes for the future when we have fixed or planned events. And the simple present tense is not just grammar, it's your life, your habits, your reality, and even your stories. So, guys, we are at the end of this video, and I want to take this time to thank you and say see you soon.